Namaste everyone. Welcome to another episode of Atre Ayurveda, where it's all about Ayurvedic health and Ayurvedic learning. Greens are very healthy, and as you know, they're also an essential part of our diet. As you guys can see, I'm preparing a bed for some fenugreek seeds. I found some great friends of our organic garden while preparing the bed. They're earthworms. They are what cultivate the land to make the soil enriched. These are the earthworms that I was talking about. After loosening the soil, I'm making some channels so that the seeds can come in an orderly manner. It is easy to grow them. You can even grow them in pots. Pouring in the seeds. After sowing the seeds, cover them with mud. You know, it takes only 2 weeks to grow a full tasty fenugreek plant. You know, that you can use them in salads and curries. You know what to do. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Enjoy your fenugreek and we'll see you next time. Bye!